AMG, Billy Truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog. I could get the highs and the lows. 5-star suite, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Birkin, red bottoms on so. Made back Virgil, only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Nacho's back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them sirens, won't stop for no chase. We gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, and you do what you can't. Look, I'm by the box. Take a look at my drip chat. Take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whips, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stayed up a G, I'm rockin' no Gucci, I'm 27 like it's a clock. I got the keys to my gonna drive it, only should be spinning the block. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Frozen bit, ice on my chain, Oh, the mall got a plain Jane. The money driving insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy paint dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, gotta run the dealership. BOA, TD, Chevy, or the Chase. Trap, had a shoebox before the bank. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, climb when they bling. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. AMG, Billy Truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. My name's Jonathan. Baby Miles and Krista and Leia Puppy Dog, they're in the camper right now packing up. I wanted to at least give you guys a Sunday video, and I wanted to show you guys what you'll be seeing in the rest of them, which is going to be Patty Mayo's 2.0 version. Bam! If you guys have been to Takeover already, you've already seen her. You know what she looks like. But Kevin, he killed it. He absolutely killed it. Yes, it looks like no accidents, none of that stuff. Actually, there wasn't a ton of craziness. I'm kind of ending this video, or starting this video, where Takeover is ending in Winchester. But I wanted to tell you guys that we had a great time out here. We even won a trophy, which is pretty cool, but you'll find that out later. I have so much footage to go through. I may or may not be able to make the 2 videos for the following week, just because I want to bring you guys killer videos. And thank you guys so much for everybody that's came up and said that the editing is getting a lot better. Like, that makes me feel so great. I'm trying so hard in the midst of 2 jobs and having a child and a wife and everything else. Sometimes it gets hard to keep up. I just want to say that Winchester Bay, man, you guys, what a great freaking trip this was. Like, it was so spot on. Like, everything was great. It was so organized, so well done. Like, Steve and the team killed it. I had a great time. Trevor from Invasion came out, all the Whiskey Throttle crew. We just had a great time, guys, and I can't wait to share in the next couple weeks all the videos that we will be making. And yeah, so Kev, that is actually paint, guys, in case you're wondering. Kevin, my painter at Bob's Paint and Body, he's the one that did it, and he did a great job. I thought it was pretty cool because it just looks different. I don't know if the little Off-Road Diaries will stay there, but there is an awesome girl named Kendra who's part of the Takeover staff that printed those up for me real quick because I ran out of time. We got an insurance job coming up, another Pro R build. We got all kinds of cool stuff coming up, but you still have so many videos to watch. Man, I know it doesn't pick up really well on my little action camera I use for my main vlogging, but here's the ocean. This is the top of Banshee Hill. I actually kind of really enjoy Winchester now. It's kind of a cool place. Like, I didn't really like it before, but I actually started to kind of understand the dunes out here. They're not bowls, they're something else. But I've cleaned up the outside. Krista's packing up, and I just wanted to jump on, show you guys a new version of Patty Mayo real quick. This isn't a long video. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for continued support. Thank you for giving us a chance to say, or thank you for just, I don't know, watching our videos, because there's a lot of YouTube videos out there. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, and I'm not trying to be like none of them, And I'm just trying to be me, and my family is just trying to share our memories with you guys out loud. So otherwise, I just want to say goodbye, Winchester Bay, but the next video you see is going to be hi Winchester Bay. So cool. All right, you guys have a great Sunday, and I will see you either Wednesday or Sunday or someday in between this week. I'm not gonna have an official drop of the first video. I just know I want the first video to be a good video for you guys. So I would rather make good content than mediocre content that's always on a schedule. I'm gonna try to keep to my schedule though. So all right, see you guys. Bye.